A big disease that I see most professionals have today is perfectionism.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, and one thing that I see is a lot of men today, and also women sometimes, a lot of corporate professionals, entrepreneurs, many people who come to me for training and coaching, they suffer from what I call perfectionism, which is they want the perfect wife. See, I tell them, first of all, dude, you are married already. Why are you looking for a perfect wife now? You should have looked before. There is a funny joke I often say that the similarity between a mobile phone and a wife. By the way, women, please take it lightly, it's a joke. The similarity between a mobile phone and a wife is that after getting it, you think I should have waited for one more week, I could have gotten a better model, right? But hey, many people want the perfect wife, the perfect time. I want my child to have the perfect marks. Understand, there is no perfectionism. There is no perfect time. It's not about having everything perfect. It's about making progress. So you might not have all the money you want to launch the business, but start somewhere. You might not have all the time you want to give to your wife, but maybe start giving 15 minutes extra. You might not have the extra 2 hours to do the yoga. Maybe start with 10 minutes of yoga. It's not about perfectionism. It's about having the ability to make progress in your life, and that's how you go from where you are to where you want to be. That's how I went from being a middle class person to being a multi-millionaire. But I don't say this to brag, and I don't say this to impress you, but to inspire you of the fact that you can do the same. So let go of your perfectionism. Look at your life right now and see which all things you're trying to be perfect at, and you're using perfectionism as an excuse to not move forward and change that. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here, reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
For the champions, for the champions.